Welcome in.
It's like a melody in my head that I can't keep on. Got me singing like na 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 na. Every day it's like my eyeballs.
Okay. It is hot, guys. It's very humid out here. It's 12:30 and we need to eat. We want to eat. Yeah, I don't know how they pass their smog. It smells like real bad.
Why is it? It's overheating.
Yeah.
Let's see, where are we eating? I don't like this in the heat.
No, and we're forced to wear these masks. Like, literally I thought we was escaping it. That's why I was really excited going to Vegas. Ooh.
This is why you keep getting bites.
Yeah, it was something on me.
This is on me?
Yeah, but I sprayed that stuff on me today. Okay, I got bit on my leg, guys. I didn't even know it was like bugs like that out here. Like bugs that can hurt me like that.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, got me paranoid now. I'm gonna show you guys the huge thing I got. We wait till next. We wait till the next round. Okay guys, we're happy now. We just ate. We're still at the Denny's. My mom's on the phone, so after she's on the phone, we're gonna leave. I wanna go to Fat Tuesday. I've been dying for this all the time. So I'm going to Fat Tuesday, and then I'll go back to the hotel and then figure out what we're gonna do, of course, at night. So no makeup, guys, fresh face.
Huh?
Yeah. No, this is the 44 something.
44 something.
44
You don't know what you're drinking. Welcome to Vegas.
You gonna put a table and then go to the car? Fat Tuesday. It's time to be transparent with you guys, to tell you guys what's really going on. So initially when we came to Vegas, we was gonna stay here for a week.
Stay where?
Las Vegas. I mean MGM, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I've been drinking. So let me tell you guys what happened. So you guys know we've been at MGM. If you guys have not catch up on the vlogs, I'm gonna link everything in the description box, guys, to catch up. So when we was at MGM, we've been having bad experience. As soon as we went to go check in, the lady, concierge, whatever she's called, she was really rude to us. But you know, I didn't, you know, I was trying to be nice. I didn't want to start anything with her, check her, anything. So I allowed her to be rude to me. And then as soon as we get to our room, it was horrible. Not like the cleanliness was okay, but I'm saying I don't like the location of it. Like,
the view was horrible.
The view was horrible. And then it was like a loud
smoke detector was default.
Yeah, so it was beeping loud. So like as soon as we got back to the hotel, we wanted to take a quick nap and then rejuvenate, but it was like it was consistently. So we called and told them about it.
2 hours later, they fixed it.
Yes, they did fix it.
And then there was a dog in the next room.
She was upset with that. And
so
then
I couldn't sleep. I
And then another thing, I don't know if this is normal, but in the shower, when I take a shower,
It wouldn't drain.
it wouldn't drain. I don't know if I'm tripping or not. I'm like,
Yeah.
so I'm like, it was just
annoying.
exactly something like it's so, you know, consistent. I did complain to them more than one time, and now we canceled our hotel with them. Now we have a new hotel, so we're about to go check into this new hotel now. So that's what's been going on. So hopefully this hotel is better. It's literally last minute, guys. Today is Friday. I turned my light off right here.
So bear with us.
So yeah, yeah, I'm just, this has been a real journey, guys. I didn't want to say anything until we got a new room, because I was kind of scared too. So
Cost us a little bit more because it's last minute, but
yeah,
it's
but
worth it when you have peace of mind.
right. But I feel like MGM should have taken care of that bill, but that's neither here or there. But anyway, so I'm still gonna think positive, because I want to enjoy the rest of this trip, even though literally everything is closed out here. I thought it would be different than LA, but out here is, you know, a lot of stuff is closed. The clubs are still closed. Lounges, I don't know about lounges yet. And as soon as we get to our new hotel, I want to look for a promoter to see where what's going on tonight and this weekend. Also, I want to go to a pool party. So it's a lot that I want to do. So we don't have enough time. Oh, it's black. Okay, we in the garage right now, guys.
Sorry.
But we don't have that much time to complain, so I'm I'm venting now, and I'm gonna vent a little bit more later. But once I get to the hotel, it's gonna be, you know, a little relaxed. We might change.
Never a good idea to vent when you're drinking.
She's talking about me. She doesn't drink. But yeah, so okay. This parking lot is huge with the Venetian, guys.
And she sips.
All right. And I don't know what's going on out here in Vegas. It's so packed, like it's so busy. I'm thinking because it's the end of summer, and so it's a few YouTubers out here too, guys. Like, I don't want to be like a groupie. You know what I mean? I don't want to be that person, but it's a few YouTubers out here too. So I wonder, like, what's going on. I wonder where they're going tonight. So
if you're in Vegas, let us know.
Right. And she don't have no tags on her car. She don't get a ticket.
Yeah. and you laugh?
I'm just saying, she need to fix that. That's not good.
It's so hot out here. It's 115.
Yeah, and I heard that tomorrow's gonna be worse. Tomorrow we're gonna be at somebody's pool. If it's not our pool, we're going to somebody's pool. So we have to wake up early tomorrow.
At nighttime, it's 98.
Yeah, at night it's still...
At midnight, it was 98.
Yeah, last night, it was hot. It felt like we was in hell.
We going this way?
Oh, girl, we don't even know where we're going.
Yeah, you keep on.
You want to follow her?
Yeah.
Oh, let them go. Let them go. It's right behind us? Okay.
Yeah, a little bit.
I'll go around him. Okay, let me get the address real quick. We're 6 minutes away.
Okay. Is it gonna tell us?
Yeah, it's gonna tell us when. Oh, my skin look good right here, guys. I have no makeup on too. Oh, and another thing, I got bit on my leg. I blame the hotel. I really do blame MGM because my legs was like, I didn't have no problems. But I was complaining to my mom, like, Mom, my leg really hurts. I'm thinking like I'm just out of shape. I gained a little weight maybe. But no, and then I looked down on my legs this morning. I have this big, but I'm gonna show you guys when I get to the hotel. It's like scary. I think, I don't know what it is. Uh-oh, why he calling me? Okay, hold on guys. Hello? Welcome in. Hey guys. So, as soon as you come in, it's the closet. I already hung up some of my clothes already, a little safe. And here, this is the bathroom, guys. I love the shower. This is it. And then, alright, let's come in. This is where the magic happens. This is my bed. You already know I'm messy, guys. I'm messy. I'm trying to unpack a little bit. I already have my shoes lined up. We have our vitamin C, guys. COVID, what COVID is coming? We prepared. And this is where my mom was gonna do her makeup. And this is it, our view. So, this hotel's okay so far. It's better than our last one. Good vibes, good energy. So we're about to hit the strip, and I'm taking you guys with us. Thank you. Oh, they're trying me. Let's go. Okay, guys. So we just been walking. We gambled a little bit. We experienced a lot of rude people, but we just ordered our pizza and then we're going back to the room. It's literally everything's closed out here, so it's like we don't know what to do tonight or tomorrow. I don't know.